So hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to unboxing and also a small sample and review of this Boya M1 mic. I then buy that from market and it cost me around 1200 rupees, so you can also buy that from your market. And if you did not get it from market, then I will provide you the best buy link in the description. That will help my channel also. So friend, so this is the mic which you get, and you also get the cell inside. In this mic you have to say you have to put a cell, and you also get a switch. By that you can choose it for DSLR or for your smartphone, so it work for both of these devices. So also you get a adapter, which by the help of that adapter you can convert it into 1.4, and if you don't want, you want to use connect by 3.5 mm mic, you can use that also. So there is also a holder for you connect to your collar. So friend, this is the switch. By the help of that you can convert it into a for DSLR mic or for a smartphone mic, and there you have to put a cell which you get in the box. See, the cell name is LR44, which is used in this mic. So just put it in that place and use that mic. So currently I am recording this audio by the Boya M1 mic. So tell me in the comment section how was the audio at now you are getting right now. And by the help of this adapter you can convert it into 1.4 mm adapter.
So friend, that is a sample audio. How was my old mic which cost me around 300? How was the audio which you will get from that mic? And this is for only comparison between the audio quality of that, and I don't like the audio quality from that mic because they are making some cracking sound, and if I just remove the background noise, then my audio decrease so much. By Audacity I decrease my audio, so you can see how was the audio. So friend, now I am recording with my Boya mic. As you can see, I just recording now, and I am very sure about that the audio quality is now very good, and I was at the same distance, and actually the wire is very long, so I can sit lots far from the camera and I can record very easily. So give me the feedback, how was the audio quality which are you listening at now by the Boya mic, and I did not do any kind of editing with that. So hello friends, now I am recording with my Boya mic, and tell me how was the audio quality at now. And I like the audio quality so much because I check out how was the audio, and after checking out the audio I was very surprised, and I also share this video with my friends, and I just wanna get their feedback, how was the audio quality, and they are very impressed by the mic and the audio quality is, I could not say define in words, and you also tell me how was the audio at now you are getting it right now. It's very amazing, and if you are a YouTuber and if you have a budget approximately 1200 to 1500, and if you are want to spend much more time on a mic, so you can use that one mic. And if you don't have budget, you want to spend 300 to 500 rupees on a mic, then don't buy the cheap one, spend one time and more, because you will get the amazing result from the mic, and I was very happy with that. And if you want to buy that mic, I will provide you link in the description, you can buy it from there also, and I buy that from my market, so you can also buy that from online also. It was selling online also, and the online prices may be vary, sometimes it's at 1200, sometimes it will be vary, and approx I was checking it 6 months before, and so at the time there was it's costly about 1800. So the MRP is very much high on this. You will see on the box it was approx 5,000, but you will get it very cheap. So friend, tell me how was the video and how was the audio quality at now, because my lots of subscribers and my lots of viewers commenting that improve your audio quality, improve your audio quality. So that's why I buy that mic. So if you are a YouTuber and if your content is based on audio, then you should invest on mic. And I also invest on my camera, but it will take some time because it's very expensive, and actually the mic is also expensive for me. I don't have that much big budget for my YouTube, so I will expand more things, and I will buy lots of things in future. So friend, thank you so much for your love and support, because lots of people like watching my videos and they watch it without with compromising on audio. So thank you so much for that, my friends. So friend, that's all for this video, and if you like this video, like it down and comment down below if you have any kind of query. And please, if you are coming first time to my channel, my name is Rajat Nagar, and subscribe the red icon. So thank you so much for watching, and press the bell icon also if you want tech related video in future. So thank you so much friends, peace.